What's up, guys? This is the second video of my Wethepeople doomsayer up here in Alaska. That way. Hey. First off, we got the 2.3 Fly Devin Smiley Flagel. We got the Odyssey Lavender Hazard Lights laced to a Odyssey Bandera Pro with the nylon guards with the Dylan Lloyd 4.5-inch pegs. Odyssey R25 forks. Sunday 48mm front lobe. Got the Sunday Jake Seeley 9.5 by 27 with the Sunday Team grips. Frame 20.75 Wethepeople doomsayer 76.25 degree head tube, 5-inch head tube, 9-inch standover, 12.95 slam E. And we got the L-Claw tripod with the Odyssey tripod post. Drivetrain, L-Claw tibias, 160s because of the short chain set. Federal 28 tooth. I don't know the name of the Federal sprocket, but Shadow interlock V2. Another Devin Smiley in the back and reverse for fakie. Odyssey Lavender hazard lights. Odyssey clutch V2. G-Sport Uniguard. Non-side nylon guard. Dylan Lloyd pegs in the back. Chain tensioners. Odyssey grandstands. Pretty much the whole bike. Odyssey headset and Odyssey bottom bracket. Like and subscribe, guys.